kettle sings a tune. Little pot goes clink-clank under the moon. Pink spoon stirs the batter, round and round and round. Tiny crumbs dance lightly, then they hop on the ground. Tiny kitchen, happy as can be. Stir the spoon, clap your hands, come sing along with me. Tiny kitchen, bowls all in a row. Whisk and bake, laugh and play, watch the cookies grow. Little teacup whispers secrets to the plate. Salt and sugar shimmy, they can hardly wait. Cupcakes wear party hats, carrots tip their toes. Fridge hums a lullaby where the cool breeze blows. Tiny kitchen, happy as can be. Stir the spoon, clap your hands, come sing along with me. Tiny kitchen, bowls all in a row. Whisk and bake, laugh and play, watch the cookies grow. Wash the plates with suds and bubbles. Scrub, scrub, swirl, swish. Make believe the water's warm. Splash, splash, what a wish. Dry them with a tiny towel. Pat, pat, soft and neat. Stack them up like little towers. Tidy, neat, complete. Chop the carrots, tiny pieces. Tick, tick with a tap. Pepper does a little dance, tomato takes a nap. Little lettuce twirls a ribbon, cucumber says hi. Bread wakes up from toasty dreams, steam up to the sky. Tiny kitchen, happy as can be. Stir the spoon, clap your hands, come sing along with me. Tiny kitchen, bowls all in a row. Whisk and bake, laugh and play, watch the cookies grow. One small egg, two small eggs, three come join the pan. Four fresh blueberries rolling, catch them if you can. 5 sweet raisins hiding under golden dough. 6 smiles on the baking tray, ready for a show. Tiny kitchen, warm and snug and sweet. Hold your cup and sip the warmth, feel your happy beat. Tiny kitchen, close your eyes and dream. Cookies send you sleepy songs, soft as vanilla cream. Moonlight sprinkles sugar, stars put on a bow. Oven door says goodnight as embers glow and glow. Tiny chairs tuck in their paws, napkins fold to rest. Tiny kitchen cuddles up, tucked in the coziest nest. Tiny kitchen, sing it one more time. Stamp your feet and clap your hands and jingle like a chime. Tiny kitchen, filled with love and cheer.